Hey guys, Josh from the Ancient History Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at the aftermath of the Great Battle of Kadesh, and how Ramesses used it to literally etch his place in the stones of history. The Battle of Kadesh was, after all, a draw, but that's not how Ramesses made it out to be. Ramesses began to spin a web of propaganda saying how he had single-handedly defeated the Hittites in one decisive battle, how brave his charge had been, and just how many Hittites he had killed. Ramesses returned to Egypt a military hero, and soon temple walls were being decorated with scenes from the battle, and with Pharaoh Ramesses II portrayed as this giant amongst men. Pharaoh Ramesses knew very well that he nearly completely lost the battle, and that the Egyptian army had escaped by the skins of its teeth. Ramesses had been lucky, nothing more, nothing less. He knew that the Hittites had nearly won, and now he had to go about suing for a peace treaty with his enemy. The peace treaty came 15 years later, with the two nations signing the first ever recorded non-aggression pact. Ramesses, as part of the deal, married a Hittite princess, and the two nations would not go to war for many years to come. Now that Egypt was at peace, Ramesses began to spin his web of propaganda into a giant tapestry. He began the construction of Ramesses Museum, which was a giant temple dedicated to making the pharaoh seem as awe-inspiring as possible. Indeed, the Ramesses was so grand that it had a 56-foot tall statue of Ramesses at the entrance. Inside the temple there were scenes depicting how brave the pharaoh was in battle and how he was the son of a god. This very temple is why Ramesses is known as Ramesses the Great. He simply made history think that he was this incredible military genius, when in reality his most famous engagement with the enemy nearly cost him his throne and his country. And that concludes our short series on Ramesses II. If you enjoyed, leave a like and give it a share. I've been Josh from the Ancient History Guy. Hope you have a good day, and I'll see you later.